Making playlists on YouTube is an important action that is often overlooked. You can use playlists to grow your channel, organize your content, and improve your overall viewing experience. Hey YouTube, it's Lucas here from Snappa, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a playlist on YouTube in order to grow your channel. Let's get started. To make a playlist, the first thing you need to do is sign into YouTube and head into YouTube Studio. In the menu on the left, click Playlists. Now, if you've already created playlists before, you'll see a list of them here, and you can make a new one by clicking New Playlist in the top right corner. You can then add in the title of your playlist and decide if you want it to be public, private, or unlisted. Public playlists will be visible on your YouTube channel, in the search results, and they can also be shared across users. Unlisted playlists will only be visible to those that have access to the URL, and private playlists are only visible to you. You can change the visibility settings at any time, so feel free to make it private for now until your playlist is ready. Once you click Create, hover your mouse over the pen icon and select Edit in YouTube. On this page, you can click on the three dots and start adding videos to your playlist. YouTube lets you use the search bar, paste a URL, or add videos from your own uploads. Today, I'm going to click on a few of our uploads and add them to the playlist. Now that you've added videos to your playlist, you can use the two lines on the left to drag and rearrange the order of the videos, and you can use the three dots on the right to set a video as your playlist thumbnail. I also recommend adding a description to your playlist, especially if it's going to be public. If you add in keywords and describe what your playlist is about, it can help increase its visibility in the search results, and in turn, this will help your videos get more views and help your channel get more subscribers. Once you've finished creating and optimizing your playlist, you can now use the drop-down menu to make it public. And if you refresh the page, you can click the arrow icon to share it on social media. Once it's public, it will appear on your YouTube channel under the Playlist tab. Also, just a quick heads up, if you ever need to delete a playlist, you can just click the three dots and select Delete Playlist. Now that you know how to make a playlist on YouTube, let's quickly go over the reasons why this is a great idea. First of all, creating public playlists will help you increase your views. When people watch your playlist and go through a list of your videos, this will also increase your watch time as well. Watch time is a very important factor for growing on YouTube, because as your watch time increases, your videos are more likely to appear in the search results and on recommended lists, which essentially increases your visibility. All of these factors tie in together to bring more exposure to your content, which will result in more subscribers and growth for your YouTube channel. Well, that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.